Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the dollar Swiss, I mean, we did get a pretty good bounce yesterday, but this move up to me is very impulsive. So, I would expect this to be like a wave A or maybe a wave 1. I think this is potentially going to be a crescent to that move up, like a wave B or a wave 2. Then, when it finally does make the third wave, that should tell us a lot because if it goes up and breaks structure, that's definitely a wave three, and that is potentially a trend reversal on like the daily time frame to the upside. If it's not a wave three, then it would potentially be a wave C. If it's a wave C, it would probably just go up to like the 78% and then break down again, and hopefully end up continuing the higher time frame downtrend that we are currently already in. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would expect us to be in a pullback right now to this move up. So we got a Fibonacci retracement out here. I think we're potentially going to have to make some sort of a three-way pullback also. So I think we are likely to go down to maybe the 50 to 61% for either a wave B or a wave 2, potentially before we make another leg up for either a wave C or a wave 3, just like what I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.